In this video, I will show you how to sign in to a YouTube TV as a family member. To do this, the family manager, the person who created the account, must first add you to their family group. Once you are added, you can sign in and start using YouTube TV right away. Let me walk you through the steps. First, the family manager needs to send you an invite. They should open YouTube TV on the website or the TV app. Next, they need to click on their profile page in the top right corner, select settings, and go to family sharing. From there, they should choose invite family members and enter the email address of the person they want to add. The family sharing option does not appear. That means the current YouTube TV plan does not support family sharing. Not all plans include this feature, so the family manager may need to upgrade to a plan that support family sharing. As a family member, you will receive an email invitation from YouTube TV. Check your inbox, open an email, click the invitation link, and follow the on-screen instructions. You will be asked to sign in with your Google account to accept the invitation. Make sure you use the same Google account that you get invited into. Once you have been added to the family group, you can now sign in, open the YouTube TV website or app on your device, sign in using the same Google account you used to accept the family invitation. After signing in, you will automatically have access to YouTube TV under the family group plan. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.